Good morning, everyone. So, today is day three, which is designed for wrist and the elbow. Let's talk about ideal postures and common mistakes while doing some day to day activities, especially while working on the laptops and computers. So these are contact stresses where people keep their wrist on the edge of the seat, at the edge of the table, sharp edges. So that's why, and they tend to compress their wrist. So that's how these carpal tunnel syndrome problems arises. So these are called sharp edge contact stresses, and that's why nowadays you must have seen all the tables have rounded edge. This is how people are not using the proper form of the wrist while exercising. So this is the wrong one, and this has to be the right one, right? So this is the neutral, not in a neutral positions of the wrist. So this will increase the stress on this joint and stress on this joint. It will strain on this side and stress on this side. So again, if you are doing something, screw with the screwdriver, this is not the right posture of the wrist. This has to be right because this is the neutral postures. So just see, and this is the neutral line, neutral postures. Wrist has to be straight in line. This is awkward postures, this is awkward postures, this is again awkward postures, this is again awkward postures. So this you see in your day-to-day activities of doing any kind of wrist activities. So let's suppose while typing, so our wrist angle goes like this, our wrist angle goes like this, our elbows angle goes like this has to be like this. That's why these fancy keyboards are now in place, like ergonomic keyboards. This has to be at the in line, and these are called another ergonomic keyboards, right? So I'm just explaining with another few slides with just to make you understand how this is making a huge difference. So this is again incorrect while using mousing, while using mouse in these directions. We actually don't, we forget to use in a correct form, especially while using mouse. We actually underestimate our wrist. Okay, so typically people type on the desktop while on the keyboard is like this. So ideally you must have seen आपके keyboard पे वो एक पीछे एक angle होता है which you can raise the angle, right, to raise your keyboard. But that is bad for your wrist and the elbows, right? It will strain your wrist and strain your elbows also. So that's how what you have to do is this, you have to keep it in the sloping positions, which is in which way this your elbows and the wrist are in the neutral position. Your wrist is not rising above to hurt your another tissues. So there are a couple of more ergonomic keyboards available, less available in India, but worldwide, and it will be soon coming in India also, because these are expensive nowadays, because somewhere around 3500 something of this mouse and to 10,000 rupees. So these are another ideal postures. What you have to do is just keep a small these kind of gel pads just to support your wrist while typing. You can use these kind of mouse if you want to afford these kind of mouse like this, or else I would suggest do not hold the mouse as tightly. Try to hold the mouse very very light. If you're, and another suggestion is, if you're not using the mouse for a long period of time, just stop using that. Otherwise, just to relax your wrist. Okay, so that's about